Welcome to another video. We are going to be working on the F-100. Remember how I said there was going to be a new project? Well, this is it. 1971 Ford F-100. We're going to be rebuilding this engine. So I've already got this coolant pipe off, this coolant pipe off, that air hose. I just need to undo that, not that. I need to undo the coolant hose from back there. Battery's already out, radiator's already undone. And I just started 10 minutes ago. We're gonna pull this out, put it in the shed, rebuild it hopefully by ourselves. So the cooling system on that truck is actually pretty simple to remove. It was just a couple screws. So I already got that removed. Next, we're gonna be removing the carburetor and the radiator. Probably the radiator first, just because it's closer, easier to get to. But we're gonna be doing we're gonna be doing it all tonight, probably. I'm getting ambitious about this project. And so I think we will remove the radiator next. All right, little bitty update. We got most of the front here off. Now that I can, I'm gonna remove this radiator. Well, about 2 hours later, we've got the engine out. This would have been out sooner, except I forgot the inspection cover. That was holding me up. I tried getting it out, and it just wouldn't come. And I'm like, what the hell? What's going on? Yeah, the inspection cover was covering all that right there. So I wasn't able to get it out. I wasn't able to get it with the inspection cover on, but we've got it out now. And it's time to go to bed. It's just past 11 o'clock. So that's gonna be it for removing the engine. Next one is gonna be disassembly. I wanna thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you when we disassemble this engine.